Greetings Earthlings and welcome back to my humble little channel. Thank you for joining me once again on this final video of the home theater upgrades and improvements after the flood. So if you've been following the series, you knew I had some water damage here in the basement and I had to rip out all of my home theater. But it gave me a great opportunity to do the changes I wanted and some of the upgrades I've always wanted to do as well. So there's still work to be done, but finally I can wrap it up today with showing you guys my gear, what I did, and what I have going on here so far. So hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys have any comments or questions, throw them down in the comments. Of course, if you like the video, give me that thumbs up and consider subscribing if you like that DIY budget home theater content that I can provide for you guys. Also, you guys can check out some of my other videos where I show some of my other installations that I do for homeowners here in the city of Edmonton in Canada, and gives you guys an idea of my passion for home theater, budget home theater, and just providing value for my neighbors. All right, guys, let's get into it right after the intro. Welcome everybody to my theater. As you can see here to the right, it is a newly updated and maybe scaled down version of my toy collection. I have a classic vintage toy collection of Star Wars. As you walk into the right and to the left, you'll see the home theater. Here you can see I have a kind of separate gaming station with a 4K TV and just a 2-channel system. Starting off on the home theater, you can see the rack there on the left-hand side that I built into the wall. And for my display, I have a 120-inch screen. It's a DIY screen. And we're going to start off with the left, right, and center channel speakers. So I got a couple of Athena AS200 towers. These guys, I've had them for a while, and they are still sounding great. So I don't see a need to upgrade them yet. They got dual 8-inch drivers, soft dome tweeters, and just a really full sound. I've matched them up with the AS or the Audition Series center channel, also by Athena. They got a couple of black grills that go over top. You'll probably see those a little bit later in the video. And here's I look back, you can see the seating and my projector up at the top. Nothing too fancy here. You know, I got a couple of hand-me-down recliners in the back and a high quality but second-hand leather sofa in the front. For my subwoofers, for now, I got a Polk Audio HTS 10. I'm a big fan of the HTS series. And on the other side, I have another oldie but a goodie 12-inch AR acoustic research subwoofer. All right, let's move over to the rack. This was, again, something that I've always wanted to do and have a proper rack installed, and you know, this renovation upgrade opportunity gave me that chance. I was able to build a nook inside the wall and then fit everything that I have into the rack, and just allowing it to just clean up the room and get everything inside the wall, opening up space. And you know, I was able to put some lights in there, a fan, just keep everything cool, and really great addition to my home theater. As you can see here, it is a perfect fit. I measured everything and had it cut out just so that the rack slides in and out. I can service it from the rear, and I can see everything that I need and get everything that I need from the front. So yeah, success. In the rack, I got an Elite Pioneer 7-channel Atmos receiver. I got my old Blu-ray player by Sony, a Fire TV, and a Telus box for cable television. My rear surrounds were actually my fronts previously, and now I have them in the back. These are a Paradigm Millennia Series 200 towers. They are very sleek, tall, multi-driver, and very efficient. My side channels, I decided to go with some in-walls. Again, part of the opportunities that I had when I did the upgrades. These are some Definitive Technology by Dipolar speakers. So, okay, maybe you're thinking, oh, it's not that impressive. Well, for me, the fun starts when you hit the lights. Some simple LED lights, and here you go. Wow, 10-inch floating riser. You guys can check out my video on how I made that, and it shows you step by step how I put that together myself. All right, let's jump over to my Atmos speakers. I got a couple of in-ceiling def techs to go with my side surrounds, and in the middle you'll see I got my projector. It's a Epson 8340 home cinema. And, you know, I've had it for a while now. It's still 1080p, but you know what? It's going to be one of the upgrades that I hope to do in the near future, getting a 4K projector. All right, so let's go over to my Star Wars collection now. I mean, I'm a huge Star Wars fan. As you can see, I've been collecting toys since I was a little boy. A lot of these toys are going to be 40, 30 years old. A lot of vintage Kenner toys in my display there, and you can see I have kind of most of the Darth Vader and Imperial forces on the one side, with the exception of Master Yoda, of course, and then I have my other guys on the other side. And here is the toy closet. So yeah, I got a lot of stuff. You can tell I have a bunch of small figurines, vintage figures, Micro Machine collection from Galoob, almost the entire collection actually. A lot of stuff that I've collected over the years, gifts, garage sales, thrift stores, you know, games. So, you know, I just enjoyed collecting over the years. So I'll let you guys take a look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If there's something there that looks really cool to you guys, appreciate it. So yes, those are limited edition Star Wars edition vans that I hardly ever wear, sitting there. And of course, you know what? Every kid that could not collect the original vintage Star Wars figures collected the Power of the Force Star Wars figures. And as you can see, I was one of those kids. And I have, again, a giant collection of Power of the Force figurines. So anyways, thanks for checking out my toys. What's next for me? Well, I got a decision to make. I got to get a better receiver. So I want to upgrade to a Denon 3800 H for the 9-channel Atmos speakers. So that'll be a 7.3.2 as I have a little sub in the back. Of course, along with that, I'd want to upgrade my projector to perhaps a new Epson or Sony JVC BenQ. And, you know, upgrade my 2 subs in the front to maybe HTS 12s by Polk Audio. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, what I should do first. Well, that about wraps it up, folks. Thanks for watching. That's my final update for now. If you are in the Edmonton area, feel free to reach out to me at vibeinstalls@gmail.com. God bless, and thanks again for watching.